Hello, I'm Dr. Caldwell with Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians, and our clients sometimes have questions about medications for cats. We've written down these questions, and my assistant Ariana is going to be asking them today.
Dr. Caldwell, do I always need to seek the guidance of a veterinarian when giving my cat medicine?
It's always recommended that you seek the guidance of a veterinarian before giving any animal any medication. The reason for it is we want to make sure that we're giving the appropriate dose and the appropriate route at the appropriate frequency.
Can I give aspirin or NSAIDs to my cat?
It is not recommended that you give any aspirin or any NSAIDs to your cat without speaking to your veterinarian first. The reason for it is that a lot of NSAIDs can have some pretty nasty side effects in animals, and we want to make sure that we're always doing the best thing for them.
Are there any human medications that are safe for cats?
Yes, there are. There's a lot of human medications that are safe for cats. What can differ, though, is the actual dose that we give. And so you always want to, when you speak with your veterinarian, we'll make sure that you get the appropriate dose for that. But there are a lot of medications that after the appointment, we'll call into a regular human pharmacy for you.
What are the medications that my veterinarian can prescribe if my cat is in pain?
Well, it really just depends on what kind of pain that we're in. Now, pain can vary dramatically. It can vary from all the way from getting hit by a car to a little bit of a bad step, and we have a little bit of an owie for a day or two. And so it really just depends. For the really nasty pain, there's always stronger medications we can prescribe. But for subtle pains, or if we took a bad step, a sore leg, or anything else like that, we can give a capsule or a pill or a liquid for a few days. And then even arthritis pain, if it's a chronic pain like arthritis, we actually have an injection that we can give that lasts for 4 weeks, and then we just repeat that every 4 weeks as needed.
What is the best way for me to give my cat medication?
The best way to give your cat medication is going to be the safest way. And what I mean by that is that cats can be very difficult to give medications to. We can try to trick them by using the pills in a little treat. We can try to break open capsules when you're able to and sprinkle that on the food. There's even certain medications that we can get made into a transdermal, meaning that you will actually rub it on the inside surface of the ear and they'll absorb the medication that way.
What if my cat is difficult to give medication to?
If your cat's difficult to give medication to, well, then that's when we start breaking out a little bit of the tricks, right? I said earlier that we can get that medication prescribed into a transdermal so you can rub it on the ear. There's even medications that we can get made into liquids, and we can get those liquids flavored. So sometimes we can trick them that way as well.
Is CBD oil considered a safe and effective cat medication?
CBD oil, it's tough. Sometimes we have results with it, sometimes we don't. It's really going to be, as far as what we've seen, it's going to be safe. Now, as far as effective, it really just depends. There's certain animals that I've seen that I say I really think it works, and there's other animals that I really don't think I've seen much of a result with. So if you are concerned about pain or you're thinking about using CBD, speak with your veterinarian first. Well, I hope this answered your questions. If there's anything else we can answer for you, give us a call at Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians.